Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can tracking the object with sticker on CapCut PC. So select the video with moving object and go to sticker, select sticker you like here, for example, just for duration until finish the video. And just put the sticker on the object we want to track, like so, and select tracking, motion tracking, and select direction. Select both, enable for the scale and distance, and select the object you want to track, like so, and just click start. So just wait for tracking the object. It's taking a long time. As you can see, there's gap here. So here we go. So simple. That's how to tracking object with sticker on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have any question. Please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.